Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and I'm excited to tell you that today we're going to be making some Caesar salad dressing from scratch. So let me show you what's in this recipe. It's really simple. I mean, it's quite a few ingredients, but let me show you what we have. We have these beautiful anchovies, and we have egg yolk, and a little salt and pepper, some Dijon mustard, some Parmesan cheese, and some Regina red wine vinegar, some Worcestershire sauce, 2 different kind of oils. Look, I'm going to show you everything. It'll be in the description. It's a lot of fun, and talk about tastes good. Come on, let's make this recipe now. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, just use a couple of forks in a little bowl. But I happen to have one, and I love it. So this is how we start off this recipe. So we take our 3 anchovies and put them in the mortar, and then add in I think it was a half a tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. And this is a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And the salt's going to help grind everything up. So we're just going to use this so that we can grind everything up, pulverize it into a paste. And it takes a couple of minutes to make this happen, but it does happen. Everything turns into a nice paste. Okay, so the next step is to get all of the paste that you've just made and scoop it all out. It shouldn't be much more than a tablespoon, to be honest with you. And here it is, and we're just going to start making our dressing with this. This is the first step. The next step is separate the egg white from the egg yolk. There we go. And we have all of our yolks there. Whites are separated. Well, let's start putting everything together. The first thing I'm going to do is put our egg yolks in, and let me get them all in. That's the first step. And then we're going to start by combining 2 different kinds of oils, avocado oil and then some olive oil. So we're going to whisk the oil and the egg together. And what that's going to do is, I don't know if you guys are familiar with making mayonnaise, but egg and oil make mayonnaise. And you just want to combine the oil and the egg to get that consistency. And we don't want to just use one kind of oil, because we don't want just like an olive oil flavor or an avocado flavor, or you can use any kind of oil you want really, but you don't want to just go with one. As you can tell, this has become a nice sauce. So what we're going to do is start adding a few ingredients. We're going to add in our Dijon mustard. That happens to be a tablespoon. We'll add in the star of the show, the anchovies. Get it all in there. Okay. Now we also need a few other things. Let's just go ahead and start adding everything in, okay? So we're going to have a splash of red wine vinegar, like that. A splash of Worcestershire, like that. We need a little lemon flavor, so let's get it. Don't really need a whole lot I was going to use, but I don't see any seeds. That was the reason why I was going to use this special little tool, because if there are any seeds, they won't be going in. But I just need a little bit of lemon juice, and that's about all I want. Look at that, how beautiful. we're going to need about that much salt, which is like half a teaspoon. Some fresh ground black pepper. Don't be afraid of the pepper. And if you'd like, you can put in a splash of hot sauce. And before I even taste it, there's one main ingredient that I haven't used yet, and that is some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. I think I'm just going to go for it like this, watch. 1/3 of a cup, or maybe a 1/4 cup. 1/2 cup. And just whisk it and taste it. Absolutely divine. And there you have it. Caesar salad dressing. So give this recipe a try. It's so simple. The ingredients, you can't go wrong. Just look at the video a few times, master the technique. You'll be glad you did. You won't ever be buying store-bought Caesar salad dressing again. Before serving your Caesar salad, just take a ladle of your awesome dressing and put that in, not too much, and then mix it up well, toss it around, make sure all the leaves are coated. And then add a little more Parmesan. Make sure it's fresh grated. And if you like croutons, you can even add a few of those. Croutons come in different varieties. Garlic and different ones, you know, it's all up to you, whatever you like. Beautiful. Oh my, I cannot wait to dig into this. It looks so good. Delish. What a great recipe. Wow. Friends, this is just your basic Caesar salad. If you want to put anything else in it, go right ahead. Sometimes we put artichoke hearts and black olives and cherry tomatoes and just make a big crazy salad out of it. But I guess, you see, this dressing is what really makes it all come together. So you got to learn how to make it. If you like our video on Caesar salad dressing, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't, subscribe to our channel. We would love you to be a subscriber. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when we come out with new videos. And we do all the time. And thanks again for tuning into the Sandra's Kitchen. We love you guys. Have a great day. And until the next time, God bless you.